Welcome to the howto.org channel. To block websites with adult content, the first thing we'll do is to be in Google, and at the top, in the search bar, we'll add /preferences and press accept. Here we will activate the Safe Search filters. This filters helps you avoid most violent and adult content. We will press click for activate the checkbox, turn on Safe Search, and then we press click in Lock Safe Search. Here again we click on Lock Safe Search to activate the filters and wait a few seconds to load up to 100%. Ready, we've got it activated. When someone searches for adult content by Google, it won't appear in searches. But the problem is that if a person enters directly from the search bar of the browser, they will be able to access easily. For this, I will teach you another technique that is more effective. We'll write Chrome Web Store and then click on the first result that appears. Here in the search engine, the Extensions option must be activated. Then in the search bar type Block Site and press Accept. Here we will find an extension for Google Chrome. To the first option that appears we click on Add to Chrome and then a window appears. Here again we click on Add Extension. After that, a file will start downloading and will be installed automatically. In a moment the extension of Block Site will be opened and we click on Agree. Click here and we can easily add any website we want to block. For example, now, I can open Facebook without any problem. But if I add it here and type facebook.com and click on the plus button, when you try to enter again, you won't be able to. But there's a problem. Anyone can edit the list by clicking on the option above. This is why we must add a password to protect our list of locks. Click on Password Protection. Here we click on the three checkboxes. After that we'll add our mail and put a password. It's not the same password as the email, it's a new one for the extension. We click on Save and a message will appear telling us that a confirmation email has been sent. That's why we should open our email. In my case I have it in Outlook. Here we see the BlockSite mail in the first place. I'll click it and here I'll look for the Verify Now. We'll click it and it's done. We have already confirmed our email. If we try to log into Facebook again, we'll see that by clicking on Edit Your List we have to set the password. We write it down and that's it, we can access the options. Don't forget to keep the option of blocking adult content sites turned on. Actually, it's already enabled by default. Finally, if we want to uninstall this extension for any reason, click on the icon at the top right. And we click on Remove from Chrome. In this case I will click on Hide in Chrome menu so that the icon is not easily seen. But don't worry, the icon can be seen when you click here on these 3 points. When clicking, we see that you must set the password to enter the options. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it helps you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.